Welcome back to the Crypto Mastermind Show. I want to show you some proof that XRP is heavily manipulated by these Wall Street criminals. Canary XRP ETF, came out like 3 days ago, 4 days ago. They had over $58.5 million, alright, in trading volume, alright. The XRP ETF, the Canary XRP ETF. And yet XRP price did not even fucking go up. It went down. Like, are you freaking shitting me, man? It just put to show that XRP price is heavily manipulated by these elitist Wall Street 1% criminals, you know. Like, I don't expect it to go up significantly, but at least a little bit, you'd think, right? There is no way that XRP can be trading at $1, like at $2.18, like what it is right now. There's no way, man. With what it's doing, they've obviously rigged XRP price, you know. And I'm going to show you what I think that they've been doing. So it says here, XRPC recorded 58.5 million in its first day trading volume, the highest among 900 ETFs launched in 2025. The products attracted 245 million in net inflows. XRP is down 4% despite the impressive first day results from Canary's XRPC. And this is a spot XRP ETF. They have to hold the actual XRP. Freaking, it's pathetic, man. Like, it just put to show. And even the XRPC, it actually had more inflows than Bitwise Solana ETF. You know? Man, the XRP price, man, it's just so manipulated. I'll show you something else. So I went on XRP scan. See how the escrows are coming down? It used to be, they used to have 50 billion in XRP escrow. Now they've only got 34 billion. So what they're doing is, they're releasing it all out. Yeah? To all these corporations and fund managers and institutions. But the thing is, they can only do that for so long. They've only got another 34 billion to release. You know what I mean? So they can only manipulate the price for so long, you know? They can only manipulate the XRP price for so long. It's gonna give, man. And when it gives, oh boy, this motherfucker is gonna skyrocket, boy. There's no way, with all the use case and all the partnerships and utility and connections that XRP has, and it's trading at $2.16. Like, come on, man. Like, you know, pathetic, man. You know. I mean, I'm not expecting to get rich off it, but I'm just proving my point that the prices are manipulated. You know. So they've got 65 billion, 209 million in circulating supply. They've already burned 14 million, because each transaction you do, they burn it. So this will increase the price eventually, you know. They could, like I said, they've only got another 34 billion, and they keep releasing, I don't know, 1 or 2 billion a month. They can only do that for so long, you know. They can only do that for so long. They can only manipulate the price for so long. You know? And then if you look at the price here, it's trading at $2.16 after freaking almost $250 million in net inflows, 54 million in trading volume, and it's trading at $2.16. Like, are you freaking kidding me, man? They've obviously manipulated the price of this, man. But they can only do it for so long. And you guys, being smart investors, will take advantage of the cheap prices to scoop it up while it's cheap, you know. So it depends on the way you look at it. It's good for new guys, you know, that want to accumulate and get it at a cheaper price. But for me, people like me, it's like, oh, for fuck's sake, just release the fucking thing already, man. Like, been waiting for over 5.5 years. It's like release this thing, but they will release it. You know, they will cut it free. They can't manipulate it for so long. You know, even David Schwartz himself said like XRP is not designed to be cheap because you'll have a liquidity issue. Remember, XRP is moving the world's money, so it will go up. You know, but once we get crypto regulations, tokenization of real world assets, crypto adoption, more liquidity flowing in, that's when you'll see some significant price movements in XRP. Not this chicken shit $2.16. Like, you freaking kidding me, man? That's like it's welfare money, man. You know, it's just exhausting, man. You know, I can't believe that I've been waiting 5.5 years for this crap to take off. And some of y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. Like all those XRP veterans, all those XRP lovers, all those guys know exactly what I'm talking about, you know, because they know that what I'm saying is true, that these XRP price is heavily manipulated. They use future contracts, they use dark pools, they do trading on the OTC, over the counter, so when say XRP price goes up, they can release more XRP, they can put more sell orders to bring the price down. And your technical analysis, the charts won't show it. You won't even know. You know what I mean? Because it won't come up. It's very private. It's on the dark pool. You see, very quiet and hush hush. They're very secretive in the way they do it. You know, they got numerous ways, but they can only do it for so long, man. You know. So, anyway, still a good buying opportunity to buy cheap. If you haven't already bought your crypto, go to Caleb and Brown. They'll look after you, and you get institutional grade custody with Fireblocks. The top 2,000 banks in the world use Fireblocks. I highly recommend you check them out. It's free to sign up. It's the best exchange in the world, and you even get your own personal broker. I can't think of any other exchanges that offer that level of service. You know, doesn't cost you any money to sign up. The fees are very minimal. They even have an app. If you have an S corp or an LLC or C corp or company or entity or trust, you can set one up you can set up a corporate account, business account, and you can set up a personal account. Either or. It's up to you. I'll put a link in the description. Please like and subscribe, would be greatly appreciated. My channel is not growing, and if it's not growing, I can't teach people because the YouTube algorithm will keep jamming it up. So I need people to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you any money, and in return I'll teach you how to build generational wealth. You know. Anyway, Crypto Mastermind out.